Friends, let's start with the study of Sanskrit, Standard 8, Lesson number 2, Chitrapadani 2. In the previous video, we have studied Chitrapadani 2. In this chapter, we have studied some plural sentences with ete and te, etaha, taha, etani, tani, and vayam, yuyam. Right? In the last video, we have studied about the plural sentences. Now today I am going to teach you some singular, dual and plural forms that you have to remember and study them properly. Okay. Here you can see the table of the nouns in the singular, dual and plural forms. Right, in Sanskrit there are three types of forms: singular, dual and plural. Generally in English and Gujarati and Hindi language we have two forms, that singular and plural. The nouns we can see in the singular form and plural form. In English we add s to make the noun plural, right? But here there are three forms: singular, dual and plural. Okay, here you have to remember the table. Namani means nouns. Pullingam, masculine gender. Here the table you can see the words, all the words are masculine. How to write the masculine word in singular form, in dual form and in plural form, that you have to remember. Okay. First is Shukaha. Shukaha means parrot. When this is a singular word, we can say Shukaha, parrot. When there are two parrots, we can say Shukau. This is a dual form. Shukau is used for only two parrots. Shukau is used for only two parrots. Shukaha means many parrots, more than two. Shukaha means plural form, many parrots. Shukaha, Shukau, Shukaha. Shukaha, Shukau, Shukaha. Shukaha is singular, Shukau dual and Shukaha plural, that you have to remember. Second example is Mayuraha. Mayuraha, a peacock. Mayurau, two peacocks. Mayuraha, many peacocks. Mayuraha, Mayurau, Mayuraha. Shwanaha, Shwanau, Shwanaha. Shwanaha, a dog. Swanau, two dogs. Swanaha, dogs. Sihaha, Sihau, Sihaha. You see that in the singular form the word with visarg, in the dual form here Sihaha, Sihau, right? Sihau. And in the plural form Sihaha, a visarg, right? यहाँ पे हमको औ ज्वाइन करना है और यहाँ पे आ विसर्ग. सिंहः, सिंहौ, सिंहाः. श्वानः, श्वानौ, श्वानाः. मयूरः, मयूरौ, मयूराः. शुकः, शुकौ, शुकाः. ये पुल्लिंग मीन्स मस्कुलाइन जेंडर वर्ड्स है. इसके ड्यूअल फॉर्म्स और प्लूरल फॉर्म यू हैव टू रिमेंबर. Now same as the Stillingam. Stillingam means feminine gender. Here the nouns of feminine gender. First is Balika. Balika means a girl. Balike, two girls. Balikaha, many girls. Balika, Balike, Balikaha. Balika means a girl. Balike means two girls. Balikaha, many girls. Pratima, statue. Pratime, यहाँ पे हमको ए लगाना है. ड्यूअल फॉर्म में ए लगाना है और प्लूरल फॉर्म में आहा. प्रतिमा, प्रतिमे, प्रतिमाः. उत्पीठिका, उत्पीठिके, उत्पीठिकाः. A table, two tables, many tables. सज्जिका, सज्जिके, सज्जिकाः. फाइल, two files, many files. यहाँ पे सज्जिका ending with a in the feminine gender. In the dual form we have to add a, sajjike, and plural form sajjikaha. Next, napusakling neuter gender, vatayanam. a window, vatayane, two windows, vatayanaani, many windows, vatayanam, vatayane, vatayanani, द्वारम, द्वारे, द्वाराणि, पुस्तकम, पुस्तके, पुस्तकानि, चित्रम, चित्रे, चित्राणि, बस्यानं, बस्याने, बस्यानानि, विमानम, विमाने, विमानानि। यहाँ पे हमको सिंगुलर फॉर्म में लास्ट हलंत म है नपुंसकलिंग में, जो हमने अगले वीडियो में सीखा है। और यहाँ पे ड्यूअल फॉर्म में हमें ए ऐड करना है, वातायने, द्वारे, पुस्तके, चित्रे। और प्लूरल जेंडर में आनी ज्वाइन करना है, वातायनानि, द्वाराणि, चित्राणि, पुस्तकानि, राइट। ओके, अब ये है यहाँ पे हमने जो अगले अभी अभी हमने पढ़ा जो नाउन्स थे, राइट, मस्कुलाइन, फेमिनाइन एंड न्यूट्रल जेंडर के। अब है सर्वनामानी। सर्वनामानी मीन्स प्रोनाउंस। हमने अभी नाउन्स पढ़े, अब है प्रोनाउंस, सिंगुलर, ड्यूअल एंड प्लूरल फॉर्म्स। फर्स्ट, अहम, आवाम, वयम। अहम मीन्स आई, आवाम मीन्स वी बोथ, only two. Vayam means we, all of us, we all. We have learned the sentence in Chitrapadani 2 with aham and vayam. In Chitrapadani 1 we have learned sentences with aham, tvam, saha, sa, tat, eshah, esha and etat. And in Chitrapadani 2 we have learnt the sentences with vayam, yuyam, te, taha, tani, ete, etaha, etani, right? That you have to remember the table. Aham, avam, vayam, tvam, yuvam, yuyam, sah, tau, te, sa, te, taha, tat, te, tani, eshah, eshau, eshah, etau, ete, ईशा, एते, एताः, एतत्, एते, एतानि. Here all the words are given with their English meanings also. You have to remember the table of nouns, pulling, stilling and napusakling, and the table of sarvanamani. All the tables you have to write in your notebook with proper handwriting and learn it. Okay. Thank you.